Hey guys, we're getting ready to go out on Captain Steve's whale watch, and these are the 25 to 30 foot hard bottom rafts with seats. Alright guys, getting ready to go out on Captain Steve's.
Yeah, we see you.
Yeah.
You guys are
Yeah. Come on. Woo.
Wow.
Yeah! Wow! Oh, baby! Wow! Yeah! Right!
Oh, yeah.
Yeah!
Okay, so they're within 100 yards. I just have to go neutral.
Make a right.
Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, my God.
The May 15th, where you're not allowed to operate the jet skis or the carousel boats. But we see whales as early.
There he goes.
Whoa!
Oh, come on. Do that right there.
Yeah!
Come on.
Come
Woo-hoo,
on.
that was fun.
Might get something on the GoPro right there because the other one may be closer.
Oh,
Whoa!
oh, it's coming.
Yeah, baby!
It's coming right at us. Coming right at us.
Closer. There's another one closer. He's chasing one. So look under the boat right in front of us.
Okay.
To the other side. He's going to be coming out in just a second. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Whale's going to be coming up right next to the boat. You guys see? Right here. We'll be on the same side.
Yeah!
Wow. Yeah.
Side of a breach. That's pretty darn good.
One more.
Whoa! Yeah!